Do you know how the journey of AI started? It all started with just two questions. First one, in 1940s, Alan Turing asked the question, can machine think? As usual, all laughed at him by saying, how will that happen? But later he invented a machine which can decrypt the messages from Germany in millions, which decreased the World War II period up to 50%. Here now he not invented artificial intelligence, but he definitely laid foundations to it. Now fast forward to 1970s, there is a person called Geoffrey Hinton who is considered as a godfather of AI. The question he asked us, can machine learn like humans? Again and again, all the people around him laughed and said that will not happen. But he worked very hard for 15 years and came to know that through backpropagation, neural networks can actually learn like humans. After that, the rest is history. These two questions led to the biggest industrial revolution till date, AI. Now, to learn AI, there are so many free resources in the world. But in this video, I'm going to say the top YouTube channels to learn and master AI. These channels are divided into two categories. The first category contains the channels which will explain the core things in AI, how will AI works. And category 2 channels will help you in stay updated with current trends and newses. First channel in the first category, 3 Blue 1 Brown. If you are scared of math, this channel will change your life. 3 Blue 1 Brown is famous for visualizing complex math topics into a simple and understanding way. He has a playlist on neural networks and deep learning. Trust me, it's one of the best to understand how AI works from scratch. Next channel is Krish Naik. Krish Naik is one of the most famous Indian educators in AI and data science. What makes him unique is that he explains practical machine learning and deep learning with real projects and industry use cases. He also shares roadmaps, free resources, and even job guidance. His content is beginner friendly but also useful for advanced learners. Next channel in the list, Stanford Online. This channel shares official lectures from Stanford University. The famous lectures like CS 229 and CS 231 and by Andrew Ng and others. These are the same actual lectures taught. If you want to go deep into the algorithms and machine learning, this is the place where you should go. It's like learning from the one of the best AI universities in the world for free. Next one, MIT OpenCourseWare. This is also same channel which is similar to the above Stanford Online. Same good high quality lectures and technicalities in AI. Next one in the list, Andrew Karpathy. Andrew Karpathy is former Tesla AI head. He is considered as one of the top minds in deep learning. His YouTube videos are rare but extremely high quality. He explains neural networks, transformers, and training LLMs in an intuitive way. His neural networks Zero to Hero playlist is a gold mine for the students who want to make AI systems from scratch. If you want to go from beginner to pro level, Andrew Karpathy is must. We come to the second category of YouTube channels which make you stay updated in current AI trends and AI news. Here, learning core things of AI will not be sufficient to sustain in your job. Stay updated in current AI trends and news is very important. So, for that, the first YouTube channel in this category, Y Combinator. Y Combinator is one of the world's top startup accelerators, and their YouTube channel is filled with talks, startup pitches, and interviews from leading AI founders. It's a great place to understand how AI is being used in a real business and startups. You'll also get to hear from the people who are actually building the future. Next one on the list is Matt Wolfe. Matt Wolfe is a YouTuber who simplifies latest AI trends updates. Every week he will cover new AI trends from new features in ChatGPT to the mind-blowing tools like Runway ML, Sora, and much more. It's a great place to the students who want to stay in touch with what's happening in AI without getting lost in code or theory. And you can also follow my channel. I didn't posted much content yet, but can consider subscribing if you want to notify for my future videos. Signing off.